Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 1999 Honda Odyssey. It comes with 67,404 original miles. It is powered by the reliable 2.3 liter 4-cylinder with an automatic transmission. This Odyssey is 4-wheel drive. It does come with 4 doors and a rear hatch. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. These seats do stow away to create more space. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know they have not been punched out. They also do go away. This vehicle does come in kilometers, not miles. The number that you're seeing down here, 108,478, that is the kilometers. The miles again is 67,404. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions y'all may have. Thank y'all for the continual support. We really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. It means the world to us. Y'all have a blessed and safe day, and thanks again.